How to log in into Zion's bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Zion's bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to take is open up your web browser and simply search for Zion's bank account. After you search for it, you will see the sign in option on the top. If you want to go through the home page, you can open up the home page. Then tap on the sign in button on the top right. Then choose your personal banking or whichever banking that you want. Then you should be on this section. Now let's choose the option from here. Tap on sign in directly and you should be directly on this sign in page. Since both of those are similar, the same, I'll just cross that out. And now right here you'll need to type in your username and then your password. Then tap on the sign in button to log in into your account. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.